Hey everyone, welcome to Automotive Logistics and Supply Chain Global here at the Whiskey Factory in Detroit for the gala reception hosted by Ryder. Let me just give you a second to take in what's happening behind me. The buzz, the atmosphere, everyone together here. We've got more than 300 people capping off the first day of content here. I'm not going to take too long to talk to you about everything that's happened. We've been talking about EVs, sustainability, capacity crunch, disruption, working together on it, non-stop mitigating risk. And you just feel from the energy here, everyone needs to come together to work on this point. And like I said earlier on, it's not just because of COVID. Of course, people were away and now they got the chance to do it again. It's because there's real value in coming together and working together. I've had so many OEMs, tier ones, logistics providers just saying how much they got from listening to their peers, understanding the shared problems that they had. So perhaps over a drink, a water, a whiskey, whatever you measure, we get a little sense of that. This hosted tonight by Ryder, great partners. We also heard from Truckers Against Trafficking, such an important message, understanding how this industry can use the supply chain for good, to identify trafficking across the supply chain. So many opportunities. We're so glad we can share this moment of the gala reception with you. Those of you who couldn't join us, I'm sorry if you're a little bit jealous. Think about joining us here next year. We're going to be back tomorrow with even more content on our live stream, on our social media feeds, sharing highlights and coverage, a lot more where that came from. But for now, I got a drink I'm going to get back to, sorry to say it, here at the Whiskey Factory, Automotive Logistics Supply Chain Global. Thanks again, everyone. Thanks to Ryder for a great evening.